Sunrise, sunrise, looks like morning's in your eyes, but the clock's held 9:15 for hours. Sunrise, sunrise, couldn't tempt us if it tried, 'cause the afternoon's already come and gone. And I said, ooh, surprise, surprise, couldn't find it in your eyes, but I'm sure it's written all over my face. Surprise, surprise, there was something I could hide when I see we made it through another day. And I said, ooh, it's covered down, ooh, on me again. Ooh, and if I'm right,